tal este viejito, ah? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.